video was all because I initially thought my good quality Taiwanese HDD enclosure got damaged. Thankfully it's not now. I just found out for sure it's actually fine. It didn't get damaged by the bad wall wart. It was just a hard drive that got damaged. I bought this just as a precaution. The Seatay one. Chinese company, they've been around for quite a while apparently. It's the first time I've heard of them. Seatay. Well, good for a Seagate drive, as the name says. Just want to do a bit of a test. You never have too many of these anyway. I mean, they're the weak parts of this external hard drive, so they're cheap, plentiful. So might as well buy them by the bucket load, I reckon. They're very handy to have, especially these desktop ones, as I said in my previous video. Laptop ones are good, yeah, I love those too. These are all the external power ones, which I like for older devices that play back off USB that may not have enough power to run a hard drive on its own. Version 1.0 Seatay HDD box. I like these small compact shapes. I had some fancier ones, some uglier ones, some ones with a bigger case, but they're all too plasticky. Go for these aluminium ones because they dissipate the most heat. Best for the hard drive in the long run. Simplify your life. The Chinese even give you a screwdriver. How good is that? Not a very good quality one, but it's pretty good. Better than nothing. Anyway, we'll see which one of these cheap enclosures lasts the longest. I'll never buy a WD passport or anything like that. The factory-made external hard drive in a case fitted for the factory. Because they're more than likely going to have, especially Western Digital, they've got this SATA bridge integrated onto the main hard drive board. Makes them less repairable. Less of these, $30 one of those. If the stuff's up, get a new one of those, and your hard drive lives on. Anyway, let's try this Samsung drive again. Now I think the wall wart's in here. Now I did damage some chip, some damage solder on that chip. It didn't look too good, so I doubt it's going to work again, but just for shits and giggles, let's see what it does. 12 volt, 2.5 amp in this one. This one's not bloody noisy. Better not be. Doesn't rattle. Let's give it a try. I had to be careful because there's no insulation on the bottom of this tray. I'm going to put some tape along the bottom of this. Good idea. The better quality ones have that, so I'm going to do it with this one. And I plugged it in, and that light turned off as a safety shutdown feature. So this one of these chips is shorted from the bad wall wart. As I said, I got one of these, a replacement one, identical off eBay. The drive is in pretty much new condition. I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to get the board off that one to recover the data off this one with. Then use that one, because yeah, it's got 14 reallocated sectors. Hasn't gotten any worse, but nah, why risk it? As I said, there's a pretty crappy drivers anyway. Seems to work alright. I'm going to put some tape on that. A bit of a modification to prevent the hard drive from burning down, as a previous one of these I bought said. Prevent hard drive burning down, always make sure you've got plastic here. Anyway, got the USB cable. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching. And yeah, one more thing. No noise.